The Grand Challenges simulation is framed around some of the big problems that we're facing in the UK at the moment. It takes a slightly different approach to a lot of the teaching on the programme where they're often looking at companies or economies. Here we're actually looking at government. These challenges are actually endemic through post-industrial societies, and we're here in the very grand Institute for Government in the West End of London.
The students have taken on the role of leadership teams in 10 different government departments. We're asking them, as that government department, how can they create, design, implement government policy, and we've given them different ways of presenting that back to us. One, they've had to do films for social media. We've asked them to collaborate and create meaningful negotiations with each other. And then final presentations, and we brought special advisors in for number 10 so to make it a real experience for the students.
The students have also gone through a couple of scenarios and a couple of challenges whereby they've been interviewed by the press. This is testing their skills as to how they can work under pressure. These young people are going to be facing some big challenges in their lives around their future, in the organisations that they work in or they set up. What we're doing is helping the students apply their academic and theory to the real world. It also helps them to work in teams better. This is a way of helping to prepare those young people for the grand challenges that they will have by using the concept of the country's grand challenge.
I feel like I am improved in my presentation skills and communication skills, and also working as a team.
Here I have classmates from all different sorts of backgrounds, different experiences. Getting these 2 days to critically analyze this issue has, I think, shaped perspectives, and it's been a great learning experience.
One key takeaway for me is human relations overall. I think it's all about, how do we work as a group, how do we work as a team.
The one thing that I knew about King's College was that how learning is beyond the classrooms as well, and that is one thing that I've learned here. Being out here in the professional workspace, honestly way beyond my expectations.
There's been a really high level of energy, and the students are engaged wholeheartedly with all the different tasks, and I really think it's hopefully going to be one of the things that really stays with them when they graduate, one of the highlights of their time with us here at King's.